Az and Nuha needed a haircut, especially Aziz, so we decided to have a look at Blooming Touch. This would be the first time Aziz ever went to a barber, so it didn't go too well for him.
Before and after, yeah.
Now let's do a check.
Oh, they say Ghanaians do best barbing.
Yeah,
Let's see. In whole Africa, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Sandra, thank you, Sandra.
Okay.
Unfortunately, Aziz fell asleep before we got there, so Nuhad got his hair done first.
You haven't been to a barber in ages, have you?
I've been to a barber in almost 11, 12 years.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
I haven't been to a barber in 11, 12 years. Australia, I bought my own machine and I do it by myself at home.
Yeah.
I do it myself. Wow. So finally, Gardens are the best. I see people here with the hairlines and that it looks really good. I know they have good barbers here, you know.
There's no pressure or anything.
They must have good barbers here, you know.
Yeah. Well, here we go.
Let's go. Let's see.
It was about 120 Ghanaian cedis, which is about $7.60 in American dollars. So still very cheap, considering in Australia it costs at least $15, and that's if you go to the cheapest place. And for a haircut in a decent salon, it could be $40 just for a haircut. So $7.60 is cheap.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
I didn't know they did that.
That's what I say. I told you it takes time, you know. It's not like and then you go, you know. African barbing,
Different.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Ooh, thinking.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about.
That's nice.
See what I'm saying? That's why I don't go to the barber, because I do everything by myself and it doesn't look nice. So when you go to the barber, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wow.
Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Been a long time, eh? Never seen your hair like this. Ooh, hey, 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 hey.
Wow.
Good job.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. Wow. That's the good transformation, is it?
Hey.
The transformation is crazy, is it?
Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, nice.
Yeah, there we go. I look younger again.
Very nice.
Sit Aziz on and there we go.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
You ready, Aziz? Time for
Ready?
your transformation, eh?
Look there. Look. Huh?
You and Daddy gonna look good, eh?
Yeah, my dad is gonna look good. Wow.
It's like, whoa. Looks nice,
Oh,
babe.
it looks nice, bro. I look
So
young.
good.
I look young. I look young.
Now time to get rid of those knots, Aziz.
Trying to get rid of all these nuts.
Yeah, we've got the hair, man. Needs to be
Bye bye
done.
nuts. You have a tissue there?
Yeah.
Look.
Don't touch your hand.
Don't touch it. Oh, leave it on. Look.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
He's looking at me so much.
They got the kid one too.
He's cute.
He's cute, he's nice.
Look at you, Aziz. What's he doing?
Look at him.
That's
He
so
looks
cute.
Look at him. Why the nuts? You see how they get talk to each other?
Yes.
It's the worst.
Get our little Bubby's hair done. It was about 40 Ghanaian cedis, which is $2.50 in American dollars, which was really cheap.
Look at the truck.
Look at the truck, puppy. Look at the truck.
Huh? Look at the truck. After all that crying, bro, thank you so much, brother.
Hey, looking good.
We look sharp, don't we? We look sharp, don't we? I just look.
Wow.
We look good, don't we? Hey, close up. Looking good, huh? Looking good. Looking fresh. Looking fresh, and today we're going to the botanical gardens today.
Yeah.
So you guys are stay tuned. And then we did haircut today.
Yeah.
We did a haircut, and then we're going to the botanical gardens with the little one today.
Yeah. Look at
Yeah. So are you ready? Are you ready for this?
He just wants to play. Watching.
And also, guys, I've not been to a barber shop before for like 11 years, and finally I went to the barber shop. Like, hey, this guy really looked after me. You can even see my hair. I did my hair, I did everything. Then it's just, bro, they look after you here when you go to the barber shop. It's crazy, man. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. Look at it. Looks nice, man. Looks really nice. Really much for my hair, my everything. Yeah. Oh, look at Aziz's one. Aziz also has the haircut. He looks different. Look at him. He looks really different. He looks. no calls anymore. Huh? They all, no, the calls are all gone. Say bye-bye, calls. He's busy with his game. Well, yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Today we are going to the botanical gardens today. And what else? What is on the plan too?
Then we're eating at District, was it 24?
District 24.
Yeah.
And
Hopefully.
it's open. Yeah. And District 24.
And then we've got Christmas dinner
Also we have Christmas dinner today too.
at Treehouse.
At the Tree House. Tree House. That's the name of the restaurant. Tree House. So we're gonna be eating out there today too. That's it. The Tree House today, District 24. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, that's the Vida Cafe. You know that cafe, right? Yeah, that's the Vida Cafe. Okay. Wow, Vida. Vida Cafe. I like that cafe. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, Aziz like it too. Get right into it.
Aziz like that cafe. I like that cafe too.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Guys, what do you think of their hairstyles before and after? Did you like it before or do you like it after? Let us know in the comments.